Naomi. I'm back again, yay! So round 2. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I exactly take off my makeup. And this is my lazy girl routine. This is what I wear. Sorry, not what I wear. This is what I do when I'm too lazy to take off my makeup, too lazy to cleanse my skin and do all that shenanigans. Because sometimes, you know what? It just gets a little too much sometimes. This is what I do. So first off, I like to get a little bit of a cotton wrap, and I like to get a little bit of micellar water. This one's the one from Garnier. And just start taking off your makeup, off your face. I had some lipstick on earlier, same. Take that off. Now my method of cleansing my face may be incorrect, might not be the right way, you know, my bad. But this is what I find that works best for me. Now I'm not saying it's gonna be working best for you, but it is what works for me and I like it. So yeah, and that's that right there. So now what I like to do is I like to get a little toner to take out all of this stuff now. I'm just going to use some witch hazel toner from Olay. You can use rose water, witch hazel, whatever you want to use, whatever your toner is. You know, you can use whatever you do, but this is what I use. And I prefer this method even though I have like normal skin. At times it can dry me out, but I prefer this method just because, or using this toner, especially after using micellar waters, because the micellar water has like a slight oil residue, and I want to take that off. And to take that off, I just use a little bit of this toner to take it off and make my face squeaky clean. Then I like to use this cool water soothing gel from Tony Moly. I like to use this as a light cleanser. I like to put it after the toner just because it kind of lightly hydrates the skin and cleanses the skin too. And it's just like not really supposed to be a cleanser. If this, you know, after, you know, if I were to thread my face or wax it, it's a really good cooling gel to use. On to the next step. So now for this part, I'm just going to use a little bit of my lip balm. This one's from Elf. And I mixed it up with a little bit of Vaseline. It's their regular lip balm from their $1 line. Or is it their $2 line now? Because now they're trying to get bougie on us now. I'm kidding. I just mixed that up with a little bit of Vaseline. And this stuff is basically like my lip mask. And it makes my lips so soft and so smooth. I love it. So now for my next step, I just like to get a little bit of this vitamin E oil. This is from Vital Care. And I like to use this as my face cream and under eye cream. And I just use this. Heavily apply this underneath the eyes because it helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And when I wake up, this stuff is still not on my face. My skin has or will have soaked up most of that oil. And then I like to put it on my forehead. So that's that with that. And that's basically what I do at night. If I feel like it and I'm being good to myself, I'm going to add my lash oils. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful night, and good night, you guys, and mwah!